videos. So let's get started. So this is called, let me see, the Downtown Car Park. It's new for 2022, and you can see some cars here to park. So now, let's unbox it. So we always see this. I'm gonna crack it. Oh, this is stronger than normal. I'm gonna have to call somebody to open this. Come on in. Alright, so I just got this part open. Let's see if I could get this. Oh, this is stronger. Maybe you guys could click the like button and subscribe, and maybe then I'll be able to open it. I just got this part here. Yeah, but oh, I see there's going to be more stickers like usual. Why? Oh, and here's another one of these. I think I got one right here. Here it is. I got a duplicate. I'm just gonna put those down. Okay, I got this. I think this is gonna be an elevator. And here, this does not even look like anything. I think maybe this. So, oh, there's a slide. And I think this is the board of it. Just like my car wash video, which by the way, if you didn't see that in my real video, go back and check it out before you keep watching this. And I guess the car's right here. If I can open, I'm gonna have to get somebody again to open this. Alright, here's the car itself. It's beautiful pink purple wheels. This is a lot of trash. This is like more trash than normal. Probably less. And at the end, I'm gonna connect this and I'm gonna add more cars to get on this elevator and then maybe slide down. Alright, instruction time. Let me just test it out. Right here. Oh, we got a gas station, and then, whoa, it came out! All right, let me get some instructions. Oh. Enjay crew, oh no, I ripped them off. And here is the stickers itself. I will be putting these stickers on the playset or toy itself. So let's see what we got. Okay, we got one strip. Oh, there we go. So it's gonna be like this in here, right there. Now we're gonna, yes, 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 yes. Yes! That's how you do it. Right here. And then, boom! There we go! Oh, the third sticker is the stop sign. I think. Alright. So I got this beautiful looking stop sign. And, that's terrible. But practice makes perfect. It's an opportunity to learn. Stop! Alright, so I just figured out where it is. Alright, footstep number 1. Gonna look like some shoes. Did someone leave their shoes out? Make them a sticky sticker. So this goes on the second floor, I think. Guys, I accidentally put number 2 on first, but you guys get where I'm going. Oh. 1 and 2. Oh, that's very simple. So it goes on like this. How does that look? Alright, so all the stickers are gone. Nope. Alright, now we're actually starting to build. I kind of ripped the instructions, but it's fine. Alright. So now it's like, huh? Oh well, there we go. Alright, so it says to connect, I think, right here. Gotta use some more Super Gecko muscles if you saw PJ Mask. Wow! It's done! Yes! Now, I'm gonna go off camera and then get some more cars. So let's start with this main car right here. Right. Oh, I've never seen this before. I will go here. Okay, I guess that's just the way out. I want to go on number 1. All right. And let me just push it. There we go. Now he's gonna get on here. We're gonna raise it a little up. All right. He's gonna leave it. Then look at this. Now this is getting a little high. Number 3. There we go. We're gonna go on number crooked 3. Whoa! And now this is the highest level. Number 4. Alright. Alright. He's on the 4th level. And watch how high this goes. Wow! Now I'm gonna get a couple more cars to see how cool it looks. Alright, so I got some more cars here. And he's just gonna rest there. Now, we have to put it back down so the other car could come. I'm gonna go on number 4. Wow, the highest level. If you're afraid of heights, don't look down. Last one. Alright, I got to the highest level, and apparently both of them wanted jump down. 1 car down. I accidentally did it backwards. And 2 cars down. Guys, this was so easy and so fun to build. Click the like button and the subscribe button because I have 3 more videos left. And on the 4th or 3rd one, I will connect them all together. So stay tuned for more videos. And I would have not done this without the YouTube channel. You guys are the best by liking and subscribing. And speaking of it, like and subscribe like I said. Bye!